When people hear smart factory, they picture high-tech assembly lines, robotic arms dancing in sync, and dashboards full of real-time analytics. But here's the truth. Most manufacturing plants aren't there yet. In fact, most are still running on legacy equipment, machines that have been dependable workhorses for years, sometimes decades. And you know what? That's not a disadvantage. It's a starting point. Today, we're talking about a technology that's been around since the late 70s, but is suddenly more relevant than ever. It's called Modbus. If you're in manufacturing, you've probably used it, or at least heard of it. Modbus is the quiet, dependable language your machines use to communicate. It's like the industrial version of texting between devices. Simple, open, reliable. But what if I told you that this old protocol is actually the key to bringing your operations into the world of industrial IoT, or IIoT? Let me explain. Manufacturers today are being pushed to modernize. More data, more uptime, fewer surprises. But digital transformation can feel overwhelming, costly, risky, especially if your equipment wasn't built yesterday. That's where Modbus monitoring devices come in. These small, affordable tools let you tap into the data your machines are already producing without ripping and replacing anything. No massive overhaul, no IT department required. Just plug in, configure, and suddenly you can track energy usage in real time, monitor vibration on rotating equipment, set alerts for abnormal temperature or pressure, export historical data for analysis, get email notifications when things start to go wrong. And here's the best part. You can start small. One device, one data point, one dashboard. From there, you scale as your needs and your confidence grow. Now imagine this. Your maintenance team no longer has to wait and see. They get an alert when a motor starts running hot. They schedule a fix before a breakdown happens. Production doesn't stop. Orders stay on track. Downtime becomes the exception, not the rule. That's not just IIoT. That's smart, proactive manufacturing. And it's made possible with tools that respect your existing infrastructure. So if you've been holding off on digital transformation because it feels too big, too expensive, or too disruptive, take a step back. Look at what your facility already runs on. If it uses Modbus, you're not behind. You're equipped. All you need is the right bridge between the data you have and the insights you want. So here's your takeaway. Smart manufacturing doesn't have to start with shiny new machines. It can start with the systems you already have, combined with the right monitoring devices that bring them to life. Because digital transformation isn't a destination. It's a series of small, smart steps. And Modbus monitoring devices? That's one of the smartest steps you can take today. Thanks for listening. If this sparked ideas or helped demystify IIoT a bit, share it with a colleague or your team. And if you're ready to explore how Modbus can help you modernize without the headache, let's talk. Until next time, keep building smarter.